At Edgewonk, we release a new update every week, and in this video I show you what has been happening in Edgewonk, and I show you all the new features and add-ons that we have released in the last few weeks. So while we're here in the Home tab, when you hover over the eye icon on the Edgewonk score, you now get the breakdown of the different components that go into the Edgewonk score. And this will help you understand how this performance score is calculated. You can see the first part is the sample size, and this is important because the more trades you have entered in your trading journal, the more accurate your data is. We are also using the profit factor because the profit factor is a very important performance metric and it shows you how profitable your trading system are. And finally, we are also using the return to drawdown ratio because it is very important to also analyze the risk that you have taken in your trades and in your trading journal. So by combining the three parts here, the Edgewonk score gives you a very accurate picture of your trading performance. Next, when we go to the journal, you can now reorder the columns, but more importantly, we are also now saving this new order. So if you want to create a completely custom journaling view, you can do that now here. It is automatically saved, and if you log out and then back in, or even use Edgewonk on different computers, the order is now always saved for you. Let's open the diary, and the notebook has been completely redesigned. On the left, you have now your categories, and the number in brackets shows you how many individual notes there are per category. This gives you a much cleaner user interface, and it also gives you a lot more space here on the right to write your notes. You can of course add new categories here by clicking on new folders. You can create new notes, you can drag and drop them around to change the order as well, and so use this as your written diary. Let's go over to the chart lab, and when we now go to the trade management, you will see this new feedback box here underneath the graph. The feedback box is analyzing your trade management graph and then explaining what you actually see here. This is something that we're going to add to a lot more of our features in Edgewonk, and the goal here is to help you make sense of your data much faster and to help you interpret the data that you're seeing here right away. So if the data changes here, the text in the feedback box will also change, and it will adapt immediately to changes here in your trading performance and in your behavior. We also added a lot of new tiles here under your graph. So going to, for example, the drawdown graph, you're now going to see a lot of new tiles here. And again, the tiles have the goal to help you understand your trading performance better and to give you a lot of important statistics that we're getting out of your data in your trading journal. When you go through the different features here in the chart lab, you will notice that there are quite a lot of tiles. Also, in a previous video, we mentioned it, but here is an actual table underneath the graph. The table is using the data points and the graphs that you're seeing here in this section, and then gives you a lot more additional data points, helping you to further and understand your trading data. We are working currently on a lot of new exciting updates. A lot of big changes are coming in the next few months. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can leave a comment underneath the video and let us know what you are missing in Edgewonk, what is a feature that you would like to see. And we are always very happy to hear from our users.